Hatid po tayo nung bus. Yun. At ayan, umakit na po tayo. Ito yung makina ng aeroplano. Ito natin, no? Ito yung klima ngayon dito sa Iya Terminal 6. Wow, ito na tayo sa taas. May onboard na po tayo. 1, 2, go. Hello, good afternoon.
We request everyone to kindly safeguard all those items, specialty hard objects such as glass, covers, and electronic devices inside your baggage before showing using your internet links. In line with this, please take caution in secure carry-on luggage and when opening the bed.